Hey guys, how are you all doing today? It's a lovely day out here in the countryside and we're going for a walk. Our neighbor has invited us over to walk his trails and to go check out his spring. And so yeah, we're walking up the road right now. The boys are behind me. So come along with us guys. Oh, lovely sunshine.
Afternoon.
And the other one is further behind there.
We're going to get walking this back woods that invited us over, and we're going to walk over to a stream.
Oh yeah, that's hubby there with his his GoPro that he bought recently. Wow, lovely day. I think I'm gonna put on my plants in the greenhouse this evening.
This is the spring right now, so the main attraction is to see the roaring waterfall.
Oh, that's a tree. That's broken, but goodly it's broken to the side, so it didn't end up across the road.
We didn't drive, we just walked over because it's seen, what is the time? 50 meters? Maybe 150 meters water. Up to the gate. It's coming up right here.
I don't go down there.
You jog down there?
Yeah,
okay. Oh, nice. When you're going jogging, invite Javon along. You guys spend some time together because pretty soon he's gonna be gone. Yeah, we are here. We are going down to the neighbor's house now. Oh, well, so far I'm happy I didn't wear that big jacket. I downsize. What should I say? Down jacket. Yeah. Yeah, I down jacket. I wore something a little lighter.
I'm gonna check this, you know what?
Oh yeah, your jacket is winter jacket. Mine is spring or fall.
This is kind of funny.
As for Jaden, he's dressed like it's summer already.
Yeah, she's good.
Hey!
How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
Are we on time? It's 3 o'clock, right?
Okay, so I'm deviating a bit. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it just take you right. I remember the last time it's like we could see like a house on the other side. So I thought I would have been able to see it better because everything is kind of without leaves, but I guess not. I guess not. Like trees are falling all over because the place is so damp.
Yes, exactly.
So the roots are rotten.
Yeah.
Jaden's going over there. Let's go see. Can you see anything there? Remember, you only have on a running shoes, you know. You don't want to fall in any water. Oh, it's pretty sappy. Lots of lovely moss.
Some type of poop here.
Oh yeah, big poop.
No.
Maybe it's Oh no, that's just snow. I thought I was seeing a rooftop over there, but no. Okay, so that's all there is to this. Yeah. I'm not sure where Mark's property stops and where it starts, but yeah, we're gonna turn back. Not much here to see. I'm just gonna walk right here, right through this ticket. Okay, we're going back up onto the main path. It's so peaceful out here. So peaceful.
I don't need brackets. I don't need brackets. So you need something that's I want to show you something. It grew out of the stump. Oh, yes. Yes. And as it was growing out of the stump, you see the extra, it looks like an elephant trunk?
Yes, yes.
It was looking for its own source of nutrients, so it put that out. Normally that would be underground.
Yeah, it kind of looked like a root. That's a big one. A root trunk.
Living on somehow it got enough nutrient to grow that big.
Uh-huh.
On a trunk, on a stump. It's within the stump.
Even in your yard, if seeds fall and grow and you don't pick them out, your yard would become a forest over time. Yeah. Especially out here in the countryside. Do you remember when we were at Milford and that maple tree would seed all over the backyard and I had to be pulling out tons of maple trees all the time? Yeah, it's pretty wet out here, and so that's why so many of the trees are falling. There's like a stream over there. It's just the snow that's melting. Now my neighbor here that owns the property, he actually, I have another YouTube channel, as I have mentioned before, and he moved out here. He saw me outside in the front yard and he stopped me and said, "May I introduce myself?" And I said, "Yes." And he said, "I am one of your subscribers." And I said, "Wow, thank you." And then he went ahead to tell me a story. And the most exciting, interesting, and kind of rewarding thing that he said to me was that he saw my videos and he said to himself, if she can move out there and live out there, then I can too. And now he's living just up the road from us. Isn't that amazing, guys? Wow. It's good to know, and that's why I do this. I share because at some level, all of us want to impact somebody's life, right? And I was a classroom teacher. I impacted a few lives, and then I moved on, which I couldn't have done any better but to move on, because when I came to Canada, they said I would have to go back to university and go back to teachers college in order to be able to teach in the classroom here. And there was just too much going on at the time. Within 2 years of coming to Canada, I had my first major surgery, and then after that we had a child. And you know, when you're two young people in a foreign land trying to make it, sometimes you don't have the extra money to do what you have to do. But I am thankful still that we are at the place where we are at, where we're able to sell our city home, buy a country home, cash. And yeah, it's been a long road, but as I said, I am thankful and I'm grateful. Hashtag thankful and grateful. If you are thankful and grateful for something, drop it in the comments and let me know, guys. Drop it in the comments. There is so much to be thankful for. So you guys can check out my other channel. I do a lot of teaching there. Home decor, home sewing, and so yeah, check it out. It's my name, Valrine Vernon. As I said before, Peaches is my pet name, so my real name, I'll put it on the screen, is Valrine Vernon. So my channel is Valrine Vernon Home. Anyways, I'm just gonna enjoy the silence and stop talking now, so you guys please do enjoy it. I'm looking up here at the birch to see if I see chaga. I doubt that's chaga. It could be, but I doubt it. Do you guys know what chaga is? Chaga is a mushroom, which is very good. But no, it looks like a branch just fell from there and then it's crusted over. I don't think that's chaga. Woo! Yeah, Jadon, you're right. I'm getting warm even in this. Guys, it is getting so warm out here, so I have to just loosen up a bit. And wow, this one has carvings. This is pretty cool. Okay, yeah, so let's turn you back and let you see what's going on here. Woo! What are you talking about? What?
We have to go around, and I haven't cleared it out, so be careful
Oh, yes.
when you're walking, taking pictures.
Okay.
Yeah, so be careful.
Well, I'm not going to go all the way there. I'm just going to walk here because it's pretty clear here. I just took a clearer path. It's far. It's farther, but it's clearer back here.
Look at the soil.
Yeah. Rich. I could put that in a garden.
And which means that this whole place must be of that kind of soil.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The only thing we'd have to be careful of is where we put it, like what type of plants we're putting in it, because this soil probably is pretty acidic.
Yeah, this here would be acidic.
Because of the cedar and the all this evergreen stuff. But acidic soil is very good for berries like blueberries and gooseberries and stuff. Okay, so I think we're going down to the stream now. I don't know why snow keeps piling up on the heel of my shoes. See this big rock out here? I think my neighbor thinks that it looks like an armadillo. Armadillo. Okay, moving on. I think I hear the stream.
That might be deer, yeah.
Well, it's nice to be outside walking in the air.
Smaller and yeah,
It looks more like, the deer looks more like goats.
yes.
Goats.
We did have goats, but they didn't come out here. No, goats are really different. The thing with goats tend to farm, like they will look like that if you take it once a month.
Here the poop expert. Discussing the shape of wild animals' poop. Wow. Okay, the stream's getting closer. I can hear it. It's our neighbor's stream. Well, it runs through his property.
The most difficult is when you're trying to take them out. But going home, you just let them loose and they follow the leader and they'll go home. Oh, this is something.
Yeah, it sounds. pretty loud. Don't be excessive now. It sounds like Niagara Falls. Really. Okay, yeah. I can hear the difference than when we came in the summer. It is much louder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The best view from down here.
Yeah, looking up, right? Yeah. Wow, check this out, guys. The stream that's coming from all the way up there, and it runs through our neighbor's property. Now, it's pretty loud right now because we're having the spring meltdown, so there's a lot of runoff. Like it runs all the time, but it's usually not this loud. Yes, yes, more like that. I'm gonna see if I can make it down there. The snow keeps sticking to the bottom of my boots. I didn't wear a snow boot. I hope I don't fall. Okay, check this out. It's amazing how, depending on how the water hits the rocks that are in the bed, the water makes different sounds. I hope you guys can hear the different sounds because it's amazing to hear all the different sounds going at one time. Yeah, I should have worn a winter boot. The sounds that the water makes is so relaxing. I got my son upstream there walking across. He's a pretty good risk taker. I don't know if I'll take that chance because I don't want to slip. I'll see when I go back upstream. I may try and be adventurous. But as of now, I feel like I'm getting water in my boots because I've walked in some pretty wet areas. You guys can tell me what you think if you've ever lived in the city as opposed to living in the countryside. How do you find life and people in the city compared to people living in the country? Because we've been living in Toronto for so long, and it's just since we came to the country that we've actually had the most amount of interaction with neighbors. Like people find time to interact with neighbors, invite neighbors over, share with neighbors. Like, and that's the way we're meant to live, eh? That's the way we're meant to live. So it's a good feeling. Like every place you go to live comes with its advantages and disadvantages. But I kind of think that I'm in the time of my life, the period of my life, where I don't mind living in the country and being able to really have relationships. Because without relationships, what do we do? Really, what do we do without relationships? We're not born to just work, live, and die. We're born to have experiences, and the experiences are enriched by the relationships that you build, right? You can experience with other people, not all by yourself. Like, yeah, if you don't have anybody to experience life with, then more power to you to go out and create memories. But if you can find people to surround yourself with, why not? The stream goes a little further down, but right now I am getting in areas that are pretty wet. So I think I'm going to turn back. I am going to turn back because the inside of my shoes actually feels a little damp. Maybe more than a little damp. My socks are probably wet at the front. I saw you going across. We call it a stream, but I think if we were in Jamaica, we'd call it a river.
That is a stream.
Yeah. This stream may very well empty out into a river. I don't know. You know what's happening to me? Because I'm walking in wet areas, I'm getting water in the front of my boot. Yeah. So my inside of my shoes feel wet. I don't know. But how about you, Javon? Inside of my shoes feel wet at the front.
Oh, no, mine don't.
What are you trying to do? The foam? Yeah, I think it's the minerals that's coming out of the rocks. What do you think, Javon?
Yeah,
That's causing the
I
foam.
think it's causing the
Yeah,
foam.
yeah.
It shows you how over time the rocks have been broken down.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's like the blue-green rivers of Jamaica, where the water is breaking down the crystals in the calcium carbonate in the limestone, and yeah, that's why we have such beautiful rivers. Jada, if you fall, I'll have it on camera.
It's just kind of funny how like
Oh, you made it out. Good for you.
Did you slip?
No, he didn't. It was just getting a little wonky.
Go for it.
Yeah, I'm on the rocks now. This is where my son walked across. I'm going to try going across. It should be fine. Change levels. This is beautiful. I'm sitting on the rock in the middle of the stream. Come behind me, get caught in the picture. Look at the screen. Oh yeah. Careful, careful. What is it? Oh, it's just wood. Okay. Wood chip. Wood bark. It's floating down. Get down. Get down. Oh, yeah. Okay, my hand is tired. Such a lovely spot. Look at him. Isn't my neighbor a good man? He's a very good person. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I capture you when you're coming back. Let's see if you're gonna fall in. Oh, okay. Yeah. This is so lovely. So lovely. Can't get enough of it. I may try bathing in the spring if it was on my property. I think this right here would make a good postcard. If you guys would like to see this in the postcard, give me a thumbs up. Being here kind of bring me back home. to Jamaica. Oh, I got closer. Such lovely sounds. Huh? Oh, under there. They're full.
It's fine right here. There's a little bit of water on the front.
Did something fall in? Oh, your stick fell in. Hush. Gotta be more careful. His stick fell into the water. Lucky, he's lucky it wasn't his GoPro.
It might be waterproof.
Oh, it might be.
I think it's in the casing.
Would you come by a stream like this if you had one running through your property like during the summer to just hang out? I think it's pretty peaceful. Yeah, I think it's pretty peaceful. It's a good place for you to be if you want to be creative. It's not too hard, Javon. You can do it.
Remember I climbed up there last.
Yeah. The old men are standing on the riverbank. They don't want to venture down. Just kidding. Throwing shades at my hubby. Yeah? Yeah, that's a lovely looking piece of rock. You'd have to ask Mark if you can have it.
I don't know how to take it.
Let me see it. It's a piece of granite. Oh, it would be interesting to see what it looks like when it dries out. Yeah, I'm going to ask him if I can take it. Huh? No! Wait, you can make it after I move. And then I'll record you making it. Yeah, wait, let me go over and then you can splash after. Can you retrieve it? Yeah. Take it across. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, let's go.
Where are we ready
To go?
to go?
Okay.
Oh, I thought you wanted us to do a dance.
These things make good postcards. Take it with you. I'm gonna ask Mark for it. Okay, Javon, I didn't get any picture with you. Come beside me. And do it. Yeah, so we have the. Yeah, join me. Go.
Oh, yeah, on the side.
Yeah. Don't drop in the water now. Come, boy. Come, boy. Lick your lips. Kind of white. Lick your lips. Lick them. Lick them. Yes. That's my lip gloss. So we should be able to get a screenshot of that. Okay. Come here. Ken, give Javon, give Javon, give them this the GoPro. Let's go get a picture over here. The old man is trying to make his way down. Okay, come. Get down. Hey, yeah, get on the other. Can you get on? Come down behind me. Sit, go down behind me.
Yeah.
Put your head over this side. Two thumbs up. Yeah, that's enough for us to be able to get there.